Hey everyone, here's a model of a faux antique slide scroll pendant that we designed. The pendant evokes antique scroll patterns that used to be hand carved and engraved into pieces of jewelry. We modernized and elevated the design by adding a spiraling gallery work that is only made possible by 3D printing. The pendant measures 28mm tall by 17mm wide, and the top plate measures about 1mm thick. The bottom plate also measures just under 1mm thick. This is because it has a slight curve or arch that makes the pendant more comfortable while being worn. The negative space between each plate is 1mm also. The current model weighs about 4.2 pennyweights and 14 karat. For the center stone, the pendant will take an 8.3 princess cut gemstone or diamond. To purchase the model, use the links below, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave us a comment. We are always more than happy to help in any way we can. Thanks for watching.